divas. So I am super excited to film this video. Number one, because today is my birthday. Yes, today is my birthday, divas. August 30th, 2018. Today is my birthday. I am super excited to be turning 28. Well, I don't know how I feel about turning 28 because I'm only 2 years away from 30. But yeah, anyways, I'm super excited because today is my birthday. So I wanted to come and do something that was glamorous for you guys. And I also wanted to kind of bring back makeup. I absolutely love makeup, and I bought myself the Norvina palette for my birthday. I mean, I know it's probably not special because anytime I see a palette I buy it, but I bought this one specifically for my birthday because I wanted to create looks featuring this palette for my birthday. So yeah, I was super excited to do that, and I'm super excited to be bringing you guys this video. And be sure to go ahead and leave me a happy birthday comment if you would like to. You don't have to, but I would just appreciate it. Like, I would be so happy if I saw a happy birthday comment from you. But yeah, anyways, I do not want to talk you guys' head off. If you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this makeup tutorial and how to get it, then go ahead and stay tuned.
Champagne
divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and just, yeah, because I'm super excited to be doing makeup tutorials again on my channel. And I thought, like, what better way than to bring it back for a birthday look, because of course I was going to do something that's more dramatic than what I normally do, even though I'm going to try to venture out to do more dramatic looks. But yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Wish me a happy birthday, because today is my birthday when I'm posting this. So definitely drop me a happy birthday comment and let me know if you are my birthday twin, or you know somebody with my birthday. Just talk to me and wish me well, because I'm gonna be so excited once I see you guys' comments. But yeah, anyways, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, because I do upload quite often, girl, and you definitely do not want to miss my videos. And I'm bringing makeup videos back, so that means more content for you guys. So yeah, definitely hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for just supporting me on my YouTube journey and just in life, period. You guys mean the world to me. You guys make me happy. I'm very grateful for YouTube and being able to come on this platform and make videos for you guys. So just thank you guys so much. And yeah, I'm super excited to be turning 28 today as well. But anyways, I will see you fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.